Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you use Coinberry app to buy cryptocurrency. So let me tell you, on Coinberry app you have only 6 coins. It's not a big platform to buy cryptocurrency coins, but you still have a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar. So you activate your account on Coinberry. Once you did everything, all your documents upload, then your account gonna be activate. Then first you have to put some money in. For that you have to click on fund. Then there are three options to interact money. So you're gonna use this one, the first one, in e-transfer. So here we have to choose the bank, which bank we're gonna use for sending money. Suppose I'm gonna check with Scotia Bank. So here, Scotia. So you have to read this. All transfers should be sent to transfer@coinberry.com. So when you open your Scotia Bank app, you have to transfer money. Doesn't matter how much you're gonna transfer, $100, $50, 5,000, any amount. You have to transfer that money on this email address, transfers@coinberry.com. When you're gonna interact the money, there should be a message blank in your bank app. So in message blank you have to put this code, this one here. You have to copy from here and paste in that blank when you're gonna transfer some money. Every time you transfer the money in Coinberry, you have to check this message, this code, because every time it changes. For every transaction they change your code. So every time you put some money in, you have to copy again and paste in the bank app. So after that it's gonna take maybe 30 minutes or maybe 1 day to get your money here. When you got your money, this instead of fund, it's gonna show whatever amount you already deposit. So then you can suppose you're gonna buy Ripple XRP. Here you can buy from here whatever. If you're gonna buy for all money, you can click on max. At this time I don't have any amount, so it's showing 0, but at that time if you deposit $100, it's gonna show you $100 here. Then just keep clicking on next. So that's all. Then you can buy the Ripple. Once you buy it, it's gonna show here and here too, here. So if you want to download this app, you can download from Play Store for Android, for iPhones. I don't know which Play Store you use. I don't have iPhone, but still I'm gonna share the link of this app in my video's description. You can click on description. Thanks for watching video.